Hi there. Once you've logged into dgglobal.net with your credentials, simply head over to the Print tab on the left. To save time, you can use the search bar at the top to jump straight to what you're looking for. When we come to the Print tab, there are languages right at the top. We can add and remove them, and we can change their order according to the sequence we select. After these operations, there is a meal search box on the left side. We can add meal names to our list by typing them in this section. Now I am going to add a few meals. Even if I type the meal names in reverse or mixed up, they still appear correctly. As you can see, I have created a small list. If I am going to use this list later, I can save it. This way, I don't have to search for meals every time. After clicking the Save button, I will name my list and save it. Now let's go back to the beginning and see how it works. Now I will add a new meal to the menu I saved and save it with its updated version. Instead of Add New, I am selecting the one I just saved. When I want to delete my saved menu, I can delete it using the red button next to the list I created. We need to be careful here because this action cannot be undone. In the quantity section on the right side of the meals, I can also adjust how many copies of the same label I want to print. We can manually edit the preset recipes in the ingredients section. The allergen icons on the label will change according to the adjustments made in this section. For example, when I add flour, gluten will appear as an allergen. If there are extra features related to the meal, I can add or remove them from the features section. And you can manually change the preloaded nutritional values from here. I can select and remove the meals I want to print labels from the boxes on the left. Following these operations, we select one of the designs assigned to our hotel or business, and our browser will redirect us to the Smart Printing page. The meal recipes we modified will be reflected on the label instantly. In the top section, we can switch between dark and light themes and add borders to make it easier to cut the paper. We can also personalize the fonts. We can also print our meal labels by clicking the print icon in the top right. Let's go back and try printing labels with a different design. We can see that there is a different label design than the previous one. Again, by applying the same steps as before, we print our labels. To add a meal that is not registered in the system, you need to create a request. Again, from the menu on the left, we go to the Support section and click the Create New Request button. We type the name of the meal we want to add, and then the system offers us suggestions. If it's not one of the suggested options, we create a request by entering our meal's recipe, cooking method, and features. If there is an additional note we want to add, we write it in the Notes section at the bottom. Our content team responds to submitted requests within 24 hours. To track the status of our request, there is an information section on the right regarding the status of the request. When the process is finished, it will appear as completed